Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to turn on your controller and your DJI. So let's start off with the controller. If you press it once, it's just going to check your battery level. If you press it again and hold it, you're going to hear that. That means it's turning on. So obviously I would have to have my phone connected to it. Same thing here. If I press it once, checks the battery level. And then all I do is just go on, press it once, press it twice, hold on to it. You're going to hear that. The camera's going to move right there so you guys can see. That means it's on. Plus all the lights and the noise that it makes. So that's how you guys know it turned on. Now if that's not happening and you've noticed that your battery's okay, everything's okay, maybe you had it for a long time stored away, which means this is hibernation mode and so is this. All you have to do is just charge them. Even if they're fully charged, just charge them again. That will take them off hibernation mode and you're gonna be able to turn it on just fine, just like before. And that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.